Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, where did it all begin? What if I told you that everything you see, the stars, the planets, and even you, started as a single, unimaginably small point? Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, a cosmic explosion known as the Big Bang gave birth to time, space, and the universe itself. This wasn't just the start of galaxies or stars, it was the moment that set the stage for life to emerge on a tiny blue planet we call home. But here's the twist. The story of the universe isn't just about what's out there, it's about us. The very elements in your body were forged in ancient stars, making you a part of this incredible cosmic journey. As we uncover the milestones of cosmic evolution, we'll also explore one of the most fascinating theories of modern science, the multiverse. Could our universe be one of many, each with its own rules and possibilities? Buckle up, because the answers might just blow your mind. Imagine a universe so hot and dense that even atoms couldn't exist, a time when the very laws of physics were being written in real time. That's where our story begins. The Big Bang Theory is the cornerstone of modern cosmology, explaining how the universe began 13.8 billion years ago from an incredibly hot, dense state. This theory is supported by evidence such as the cosmic microwave background, radiation, and the observed redshift of distant galaxies, indicating the universe is still expanding. In the first moments after the Big Bang, the universe was a singularity, a point of infinite density. As it expanded, temperatures soared, and fundamental particles like quarks and electrons formed. Within minutes, these particles combined to create protons and neutrons, forming the first atomic nuclei. About 380,000 years later, the universe cooled enough for electrons to bind with nuclei, creating neutral atoms and releasing light, a pivotal event known as recombination. The Big Bang didn't just birth space and time, it's the reason galaxies sparkle, stars shine, and we exist today. Understanding this event provides profound insights into the intricate connections between cosmic phenomena and our own existence. Picture a vast, dark cosmos, slowly illuminated by the birth of the first stars, giant celestial furnaces igniting amidst the void. After the Big Bang, the universe was a swirling mix of hot gas, primarily hydrogen and helium. Under gravity's influence, this matter began clumping together, forming the first galaxies. Tiny density fluctuations in the early universe created gravitational wells, attracting more gas and dust to form these massive structures. Within these galaxies, stars were born in nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust. Gravity pulled these materials together until the core ignited nuclear fusion, creating light and heat. Massive stars lived fast and died young, often ending in spectacular supernova that scattered heavy elements across space. These stars didn't just light up the universe, they created the elements that form everything around us, including the oxygen we breathe and the iron in our blood. Star formation and death are cosmic cycles of creation and destruction, shaping the universe's structure and seeding it with the elements necessary for life. Have you ever wondered why the ancients looked to the heavens for guidance? From mapping the stars to building pyramids aligned with celestial bodies, the cosmos shaped human history in profound ways. Human civilization is deeply connected to the cosmos. Early societies relied on celestial cycles for agriculture, navigation, and storytelling. Ancient Egyptians aligned their pyramids with the stars, while Mayans developed intricate calendars based on astronomical observations. These early cultures saw the universe as a guide and a source of wonder. Their reverence for the cosmos fueled advancements in astronomy, with figures like Copernicus and Galileo revolutionizing our understanding. By proving that Earth orbits the Sun, they shifted humanity's view of its place in the cosmos. The stars inspired myths, shaped calendars, and guided explorers. Today, they continue to inspire curiosity and exploration, reminding us of our shared connection to the universe. By tracing our roots back to the stars, we see how deeply connected humanity is to the universe, not just as observers, but as participants in its grand story. The age of exploration wasn't just about sailing uncharted seas, it was about venturing into the vast expanse of the cosmos, armed with groundbreaking ideas and new tools. Modern cosmology has given us tools to explore the universe's origins, structure, and destiny. The Big Bang Theory and the discovery of cosmic microwave background radiation reveal a universe that began in simplicity and evolved into extraordinary complexity. One of the most fascinating ideas in cosmology is the multiverse theory. This concept suggests our universe is just one of many, each with its own unique laws and properties. If true, it raises profound questions about our existence. Are there alternate realities? Could life exist in other universes? The multiverse theory pushes the boundaries of science and imagination, inviting us to consider the infinite possibilities of existence and our place within it. These pioneers not only changed how we see the universe, but paved the way for the incredible discoveries of modern cosmology. Our journey through the cosmos has taken us from the Big Bang to the rise of human civilization. Each milestone, from galaxy formation to the emergence of life, highlights the interconnectedness of the universe and our place within it. Astronomy has been a constant thread in humanity's quest for understanding, inspiring awe and fueling discovery. The concept of the multiverse challenges us to think even bigger, reminding us that the cosmos is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. If you've enjoyed this journey, subscribe to our channel for more cosmic content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow space enthusiasts. Together, let's keep exploring the wonders of the universe and our place within its grand design. As we gaze at the stars, let's remember, we're not just observers of the universe, we're part of its story, woven into its fabric by the very stardust from which we came. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.